Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're diving into the world of fall flavors with gluten-free pumpkin cookies. Start by combining butter and monk fruit sugar in a medium bowl. Next, you will add your egg, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, and half a cup of pumpkin puree. Then give that a good mix until fully combined. Then we add the dry ingredients: 1¼ cup gluten-free flour, 1/2 teaspoon each of baking soda, baking powder and cinnamon, and about 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then drop by rounded tablespoons onto a prepared baking sheet. You can roll and slightly flatten these cookies if you want them to come out a little more uniform. Now we are going to bake these in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. While the cookies are baking, prepare the glaze by adding 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 to 2 tablespoons milk. When the glaze looks nice and smooth, it's ready. Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them cool completely. Then it's time to apply the glaze. If you want to get fancy, you can put the glaze in a piping bag and do a design on top. I opted to just spoon it on this time. Thanks for joining me today. If you try these gluten-free pumpkin cookies, let me know how they turn out in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.